Hi dear students, welcome back to the next part of trigonometry. Well, in the previous videos we have solved a couple of questions on how to convert angles from radian to degree. Then we also solved some word problems related to the formula L is equal to r theta. Well, in today's class we are going to solve a couple of more questions on the same formula, that is L is equal to r theta. Well, let's understand this question, my dear friends. The question says a wheel, I hope all of you know what is a wheel is, yeah, makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. What does that mean? ಒಂದು wheel ಇದೆ, ಅದು 360 revolutions ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ 1 minute-ಗೆ. Okay, we are understanding. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ 360 revolutions in 60 minutes. Sorry, 60 seconds I will say. Why? Because 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds, isn't it? It's they have given 360 revolutions in 60 seconds. Then how many revolutions in 1 second? 1 second ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ my dear friends? 1 second ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Very good. 60 divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? If I divide it to 60, I'll get 60. So 60 revolutions. Yes or no? 360 upon 60. 6 cancel. Oh, sorry, 6. I'm sorry. 6 revolutions, isn't it? Yeah. So now the things are a little bit clear. Now let's use this statement for our reference. Both are one and the same. They have given in minute, I convert it into second. So 6 revolutions in 1 second. But the question is, through how many radians? Now they want how much angle it has covered. So we know, my dear friends, one revolution. What do you mean by revolution? A complete round, isn't it? A complete round is called a revolution. And we know that one complete round is nothing but 2 pi radian or 360 degree. ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರೇಡಿಯನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ 2 pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ 2 pi ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆದರೆ 6 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 1 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 pi ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ 6 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6 times 2 pi ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 6 2s are 12 pi ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. I hope you understood the question. So the first thing what I did, they gave me revolutions in minute and I converted into seconds. For 1 second I converted. How? 360 revolutions in 1 minute or 60 seconds, which means 6 revolutions in 1 second. And I know one thing from my basics, that 1 revolution means 2 pi radians. So therefore 6 revolutions means 6 into 2 times, that is 12 pi radians. Isn't it? In the exam they may ask you not in like 6 revolutions, they may ask in 10 revolutions. You just need to multiply with 10. Yes or no? Yeah. Or they may say 360 revolutions in 2 minutes. 1 minute ಕೊಡೋ ಬದಲು 2 minutes ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? 360 revolutions in 60 ಬದಲು we write 120 seconds, because 2 minutes means 120 seconds. Yes or no? Yeah, very good. So please pause the video and note it down. Well, dear students, the next question is on the board. So let's see the question, what it says. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 cm by an arc of length 22 cm. This is a very easy question, I think. Yes or no? We have a circle and the radius of the circle is 100 centimeter. Yes or no? And it's subtending, it's making an arc which is of length 22 centimeter, we need to find the angle. It's very simple. L is equal to r theta. We need theta, which is equal to L upon r. What is L? L is how much? L is length. Length is 22. R is 100. So this gives me 0.22 radians. So theta is 0.22 radians. But now they have asked me find the degree measure of the angle. This is very important. We found in radians, but they want in degrees. How to do that? You already know that. In ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳಿ 0.22 ನಿಮಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ 180 ಅಪಾನ್ pi. And you know this thing, 0.22 into 180, pi ಅಂದರೆ 22 upon 7, ಸಾರಿ pi ಅಂದರೆ 22 upon 7 ಅಂತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. And you have the calculator with you. Do this calculation, write your answer. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ 60 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you'll get the answers. So I hope you can do that by yourself. Yes or no? Because you have the calculator with you. No need to do the calculation. Just use a calculator, type it and get the answer. Pause the video and do it. Well, yes students, now let's move to the next question, which is very important according to board's exam perspective, even for competitive also. Yeah, the question says, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter. So let me write whatever they have given. They are given diameter which is equal to 40 centimeter. From that I can write radius as 20 centimeter. Will you ask me why? No, because you know, right? Diameter is nothing but double of radius. So that is why I wrote r is equal to 20 centimeter. Length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Length of chord is 20 centimeter. I don't know what's the use of this one. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Well, let's draw the circle first. Let me draw the circle like this with center at here, and let me take the chord like this. This is my chord. Okay, the length of the chord is, let's say this is 20 centimeter. Let me write somewhat bigger so that you can able to understand. This is 20 AB is the chord. Okay, and let me join these two. So these two will be the radii. Yes or no? These two will be radii. Why? Yeah, that's common sense, right? And what is the radius? Which is 20. So this is also 20 and this is also 20. Oh, very interesting, right? We got a triangle AOB where all sides are 20 20 20 degree. Means it is of which triangle? Very good, it is standard equilateral triangle where all sides are equal. But why am I doing all these things? Am I required to do this one? No, right? Let's see what the question, what they're asking. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. So if I have this as the chord always makes two arcs. One is major arc, one is minor arc. See, this is chord. This above thing will be major arc and the below part is minor arc. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ equilateral triangle, we know one basic property of equilateral triangle, that in equilateral triangle all the angles are 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Yes or no? This is 60 degree. Yeah, so for time being, let's say if I remove this chord, now this is what our L is equal to r theta formula applies. Yes or no? Because it's a sector, it's a part of the circle alva. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು L equal to r theta formula ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? Because I know radius, I know theta, I need to find L. The problem is solved. Yes or no? Very good. Okay, so let's apply the formula. L is equal to r theta. L is, we don't know, r is 20 centimeter, theta is 60 degree, but I want in radian. Why? Because formula ಅಲ್ಲಿ radian ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is simple thing. So now 0 0 6 1 6 3 ಆಮೇಲೆ 20 pi by 3. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು 20 into 22 upon 7 into 3 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು you can write your final answer. Well, I hope you understood, my dear friends. I hope you understood, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Theta is equal to 60 degree, because theta is equal to 60 degree. Why? Because OAB, triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಐ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ನೇ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯುರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Well, dear students, let's understand. Let's see the next question. Question looks a bit lengthy, alva, but I think it will be very easy if you read it carefully. Always remember, my dear friends, reading of the question is an art. If you read the question properly, there itself we can find the answer. Even an difficult question, if you read it properly, it will become an easy question, or an easy question, if you don't know how to read it properly, will become a difficult question. Okay na? Yeah. So let's see. Find the angle in radian. So we need to find the angle through which a pendulum, I hope all of you know what is a pendulum is, right? The pendulum will be like this, no? Yes or no? This is a pendulum where it will be having a ball, we call it a bob, I think. You might have used it in your lower standard, right? You just take it and it will swing. You take it on one side, it will start swinging to and fro. Yes or no? Yeah. A pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. So let me take that somewhere here. Let me call this as our pendulum string, which is of 75 centimeter. Let's call this as O and this as A. And the tip describes an arc of length 10 centimeter. So I'll take the first question. Okay, first question, that is, so this is the bob. If I leave it from here, it has to cover some distance, right? Let's call it coming here. It's coming somewhere here. Let's call this as A dash. It is covering an angle, I don't know how much. Actually, that is what I need to find. Let me call it theta 1, or let me call it theta only. Okay, and this is our length of the arc that it covers. Illinda illige hogulike it will cover the length which is equal to 10 centimeter. We need to find theta. See, the question has become so simple, right? So L is equal to r theta. We want theta, which is equal to L upon r. What is L? 10 centimeter. What is radius? 75 centimeter. Yes or no? You have the calculator with you, and anyway they have asked for the angle in radian itself. So again, no need to convert, because answer will be always in radian only. So will you do the calculation? Let me do it now. It's easy. I'll do it by myself. 10 divided by 75, which is giving me 0.133 radian. So this is my first answer. Why first answer? Because I have taken L is equal to 10 centimeter. Now what you will do? Yeah, second one, you have to take L as 15 centimeter, apply the same formula, draw the same diagram, changing L is equal to 15 centimeter, and similarly for third one 21 centimeter. I hope you are understanding the things. Yes or no? Very nice. So with this one, let me conclude this session here itself. Please solve these two questions by yourself. In the next session, we are going to start again the very important and very interesting, that is the real trigonometry, wherein we start with trigonometric functions, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta and everything. That will start from the next session. So till then, take care and bye bye.